Hi, let's set up Fingerprint Unlock on Google Pixel 9a. So open up your settings first and then scroll down to find Security and Privacy tab. After that, tap on orange option Set Screen Lock. So before adding Fingerprint Unlock, we need to set a screen lock first. For that, choose one of those four options: swipe, pattern, pin code, or password. No, actually you cannot choose swipe, you need to choose either pattern, pin code, or password. So let's choose pattern. I'm gonna draw it, tap next, and draw again. Tap confirm, and here choose what to do with the notifications. And now we can actually go in Device Unlock and here choose Fingerprint Unlock. Confirm your new pattern or PIN code and tap on Fingerprint Unlock. Now you can read this information about fingerprint, then tap I agree, of course, and here click this option Start. Now keep your fingerprint flat on the sensor until you feel a vibration. Just like that. Hold and release. Lift, then touch again. Change the position slightly. Try again and again till the circle will be completed with this blue line. Also make sure that your finger is soft and dry. And that's it. Now it's added, so we can click done, or if you want to, you can add another finger and click done. Now you can also tap it and rename, and from here you can also delete this fingerprint. But for now, let's test it. So you can see on the lock screen this fingerprint icon appears. You just need to place your finger on the icon and your phone will be immediately unlocked. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.